Okay, last class, we finished with the sign physiology. Today, we're ready for the sign sociology. Next is the sign speech or lecture. So it's one-handed. Remember, chat is 2. Speech or lecture is 1. The next sign, subject or topic. The next sign, teacher, assistant, or you can use it for aid. Some signers, maybe you'll see it signed with an L hand shape here. Okay, so with the A or with the L. The next is the sign for theater, drama, to act, a play, or a show. Remember, it comes back towards the body. The next sign, wood shop. The next sign, world languages. World languages. Underneath world languages, I put the sign for French. I thought that was an important sign to know or to recognize because our ASL language is derived, or many signs are similar, from French sign language, because that's where we studied the language from. We borrowed a lot of the signs from. So French. And the last one is the sign for a year book. So it's a compound sign. You're putting the 2 signs together. Yearbook. Okay, let's practice. Let's practice. Sociology, speech, subject, teacher aide or teacher assistant. You can use it with the L. Theater, wood shop, world language, French, yearbook. Finished.